Hi everyone, welcome to the Youth PFA weekly workshop. Thank you for tuning in. So before we officially start, we just want to introduce ourselves. So I am Janelle. I am a grade 11 student from Oak-Foger High School. I am certified in the PFA Caring for Others and Self-Care courses. I also passed the AP Psychology exam, and I am certified in the Johns Hopkins and Yale University online courses. So this is my partner, Lindsay. Please introduce yourself too.
Hi everyone, my name is Mengzo Menzi. I am also a grade 11 student from Oak-Foger High School. I am certified in emergency and standard first aid, as well as psychological first aid in the aspect of caring for others. And I as well passed the AP Psychology exam in May of 2020.
So moving on to who we are. Youth PFA is a 100% youth-led project that aims to create a culture shift in the awareness of PFA and work to implicate the use of PFA in our everyday lives. And now, as you may be wondering, what is PFA? So its official definition is a resiliency-based program for everyone that offers prevention and coping strategies for dealing with different types of stress resulting from various types of trauma. So after learning the definition of PFA, we're gonna talk more about why we should learn it and why it's important. So when you hear the word first aid, I'm sure many of you would think of CPR, since people tend to believe that one could only suffer from physical harm. However, people have gradually realized that after a traumatic event, one's mental state also requires timely attention and support. And in fact, studies have shown that after a traumatic event, 30% of the victims would develop PTSD eventually, with its symptoms being having repeated nightmares, mental instabilities, and etc. So at this point, I'm sure all of you realize the importance of PFA, and with its definition being a technique to reduce the occurrence of PTSD. So since all of you came to the workshop on this topic, I'm sure most of you would be willing to lend help during a situation like this. This is very encouraged, of course, but as some of you might know, after the Wenchuan earthquake, the government actually dissuaded large groups of volunteers attempting to help at the site because they did not know how to help. So this is why being trained is such an important step towards aiding people in need. And if we want to get into some more details about how to provide PFA, there is a set of procedures including, as you can see in the diagram, look, listen, and link. So the first one, look, includes checking for safety, for basic needs, and serious distress reaction, including how to prioritize people to help. And the second one, listen, it includes asking about people's needs and concerns without pushing them to tell their story. And last but not least, link, which is also the most important part in this procedure. It is to help people access to more information, get contacted with their loved ones, and get more social support.
Okay, so next up, we would also love to introduce everyone in a more detailed fashion to our project, what specifically happens, what we all do, and what each members on our team is working on. So first, we would like to present our project structure here. So as you can see, our project is split into 4 departments. We have our marketing team, our finance, innovation, and our education departments. And although we do have many ideas in the prepping process right now, one idea that we have officially established is the Youth PFA Certification program, in which all departments work together on providing for our participants. So first we have our marketing team, which is composed of co-heads Audrey and Kevin, as well as visual designer Emily, Camilla, Emma, researcher David, and video editor Jason. So as is written right there, the marketing department connects all social media aspects of the project in order to spread awareness among the general public of what PFA is, etc., etc. So all graphics, posts, videos are created by our lovely marketing team, and they do an amazing job at directly delivering these information to the general audience through our various online platforms. Next, we also have our finance department, which is currently led by our one and only Maggie as the head of the team. The finance department is in charge of organizing, engaging, and planning finance relevant information, a lot of monetary statistics, etc. And essentially, the finance department is taking care of the money side of this project, which is vital in keeping our project going. And everything. And I can assure you that both teams, our marketing and our finance team, are doing an amazing job right now. Other than those two teams, we also have the innovation department, which is led by Evan, who is a spectacular person to work with. And the innovation department is constantly generating new ideas regarding encouraging the conversation of PFA, as well as work together with the project team in putting plans into action. Lastly, we also have our education department, which is not officially running yet, as we are still looking for new blood to join our team and help us get this department set up. However, the education department plans to deliver psychological first aid and mental health relevant information to schools and encourages such conversations among high school students.
So hi everyone, my name is Evan. I am the head of the innovation department, as Mengzi has mentioned before, and now I will introduce you to the Youth PFA Certification Program. So the Youth PFA Certification Program is a youth-built platform that provides opportunities for high school students joining our team to complete the Red Cross PFA course while earning volunteer hours. It is important to understand that while students join this program, they as well automatically join our project team in one of the 4 departments of their own choice, so they will be able to choose when they apply and contribute to our project as an active member. So throughout the program, the course, we will guide students through the process of completing the PFA course on the Canadian Red Cross and receiving the official certificate. We will provide volunteer hours, which is a total of 10 hours that may and will alter according to the completion of tasks given. So let's say we have assignments and tasks, meetings planned for every week. But if you, however, are not able to complete them all, we will not be giving you full hours. And last but not least, opportunity to apply the learned knowledge of and communicate within a positive, welcoming studying atmosphere. There are 2 courses provided by the Red Cross, which is the self-care and caring for others. Students joining our team will be choosing 1 course to purchase on the Canadian Red Cross official website, which is $20, and attending weekly meetings to ensure their understandings are solid. So through the program, we have opportunity to practice learn course materials and a total of 10 volunteer hours that you may care the most. And as I've mentioned before, may alter according to your completion of tasks. Also, as an active member, team spirit, collaborating experiences, and leadership skills will be a benefit, and as well as further volunteer opportunities after joining our team. And we have opened a long-term fundraiser where all proceedings are used to support the running of our project. So all the donations we get will be used to advocate for spreading the awareness of PFA, or encourage a team that strives to create a community that holds each other up. And as the fund reaches $700, we will be able to provide the Red Cross courses for free by refunding participants after they receive the certificate and through the refunding the fee.
Okay, and that brings us to the end of our first workshop for today. One thing we do like to emphasize is that PFA courses on Canadian Red Cross are only available for individuals 14 years and older to take and become certified in. However, if you are not 14 years old yet, that does not mean you cannot start learning about PFA and mental health relevant information. You can always learn more about these relevant knowledge through keeping in touch and keeping an eye on our different platforms. We have Instagram and YouTube currently running right now. If you are interested in joining our project, you can always fill the application form, which we currently have open, or email us for any additional clarifications or information. As well, you can also join our WeChat group if you would like to receive close notifications regarding any news and updates in our project. That is officially the end of our session today. Thank you for tuning in again, and we all hope that you can have a lovely day, lovely evening, wherever you are. Thank you.
Thank you.